Hi class, I've reloaded the template and made some changes in it, I think to make it easier to use. A lot of information was just assumed in that other template. And once you lined it up with the slide, it worked, but I thought why not just go ahead and make this a little bit more useful. But as you'll notice on row 2 here, I have where the information comes from. So for printing purposes, you might want to get rid of that. Row 3 are the actual column totals. Row 4, this is an example that I have included here that is neither part of the formula nor part of the calculations, but it's the link between the information that you have and how you're going to input information. And of course that leads us to row 5, and you can see that we bought some orange juice and we only need a half cup in the serving for this half a cup altogether in this recipe, and the recipe serves 4, and so therefore we ended up with it only costs 0.6 or 6 cents for our orange juice per item. So I thought we'd go ahead and put in an item together, and so I'm going to use some olive oil that I bought, and it costs $12.99, and I don't need to put a dollar sign in because that cell is already formatted for dollars. And the bottle I bought is 25.4 fluid ounces. And number of servings. Now, in reality, I'm going to be using tablespoons. So on my own, on a piece of paper, I did the calculations. And so I took that 25.4 fluid ounces, multiplied by 2. So there are 50.8 tablespoons altogether. So that already generates for me the cost per serving. So now I have to say how many servings per recipe. This recipe I'm using uses 4 tablespoons. So all I'm putting in is the 4. And that gives me the 4 times the 0.26, a little over $1 altogether. And my recipe has 4. And so that gives me 0.26. Now I want to show you one other thing here. These columns mean, it takes a formula and there's nothing in there. So if I deleted all of these rows, which you're going to do, right, when you're done adding ingredients in, there's my total. So the only total I really care about is the cost for one serving per recipe. All right, so good luck with this, and I hope that helped. Take care.